Ancient civilization, home to the Nabateans builder of Al-Ula Dedan in the 6th century BC. Trade routes, key stop on ancient trade routes including the incense and silk routes. Islamic history, birthplace of Islam, Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, peace be upon him, born in Mecca in 570 CE. First Saudi state, established in 1744 by Muhammad bin Saud and Imam bin Abdul Wahab. Ottoman rule. Under Ottoman rule from 1818 to 1918, unified by King Abdul Aziz Al Saud. Unification. King Abdul Aziz unified Saudi Arabia in 1932. Oil discovery. On March 3, 1938, an oil well in Dharan, Saudi Arabia struck the world's largest petroleum source. Ancient rock art. Sites like Jabba are old Shawamiyas feature Neolithic inscriptions and drawing. Islamic Golden Age, hub of learning and culture during the 18th to 13th century CE. Largest desert country. Saudi Arabia is the world's largest desert country, covering about 2.15 million square kilometers. Two holy cities. Saudi Arabia is home to Islamic two holiest cities, Mecca and Medina, which attract millions of pilgrims each year. Oil rich. Saudi Arabia has the world's largest oil reserves, make it a leading oil producer and exporter. Royal family. The country is ruled by Al Saud royal family, who have been in power since 1744. Conservative culture. Saudi Arabia has a conservative culture with strict laws and traditions, especially regarding women's rights. Diverse landscape. Despite being a desert country, Saudi Arabia has mountains, valley and coastal area. Cuisine. Saudi Arabian cuisine blends Middle Eastern and Mediterranean flavors with kebabs, falafel and shawarma. Culture. Hospitality. Saudis are known for their warm hospitality and welcome nature. Rapid modernization. Saudi Arabia is rapidly modernization with significant investment, technology, infrastructure and tourism. World's largest mosque. Masjid al-Haram in Mecca, world's largest mosque, spanning 356,800 square kilometers. No rivers. Saudi Arabia is one of the few countries in the world without permanent rivers. Extreme weather. Country experiences scorching summers at 54 degrees Celsius, 129 degrees Fahrenheit, and freezing winters at minus 12 degrees Celsius. Unique wildlife. Saudi Arabia is home to unique wildlife including the Arabian oryx and Arabian leopard and the Nubian ibex. Modern cities. Saudi Arabia, Riyadh and Jeddah, sleek skyscrapers, advanced infrastructure. Ancient trade ports. Jeddah and Yanbu on Saudi Arabia's Red Sea coast have long key trade ports. Monarchy. The country is a monarchy ruled by Al Saud family. The current king is King Salman. OPEC member. It is a founding member of Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries. Vision 2030. Diversify economy from oil, focus on tourism, entertainment, tech. Geography. Saudi Arabia is the largest country in the Middle East, covering about 2.15 million square kilometers. Population. Saudi Arabia has a population of around 34 million people. Riyadh. Saudi Arabia's capital, largest city, gets its name from Arabic word Rawda. Falconry. Falconry is a traditional sport and a significant part of the cultural heritage. Archaeological site. The country has many ancient sites including Madain Salah, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. National Day, marking the kingdom's unification, is celebrated on September 23. Flag. The flag is green with a white Arabic inscription of the Islamic Declaration of Faith. Transport. Saudi Arabia has a modern road network and is expanding public transport with the Riyadh Metro. Renewable energy. The country is investing heavily in renewable energy, particularly solar power. Camel racing. Camel racing is a popular traditional sport and camels are a significant part of Saudi culture. Traditional music. Traditional music features instruments like a oud, a string instrument, and the tabla, a drum. Nature reserves. Saudi Arabia has several nature reserves such as the Asir National Park and the Farkasan Islands. Pearl diving. Historically, pearl diving was an important industry in the coastal regions. Internet. The country has a high rate of internet penetration and social media usage. Military. Saudi Arabia has a strong military, is a major buyer of military equipment. Diplomacy. The countries play a significant role in regional international politics. Sidewalk skiing, thrilling driving sport in Saudi Arabia where driver balance on their car's side while in motion. Etiquette. Left hand dirty, don't use left hand while shaking, waving, use right hand instead. Bharata. In Saudi Arabia, the Bharata camel markets open daily at 6 a.m. selling hundreds of camels. Alcohol. Dry state, no alcohol allowed. Illegal alcohol production common among non-nationals. Peninsula. Saudi Arabia is the largest part of the Arabian Peninsula, which is the largest peninsula in the world. Trailblazer. Prince Sultan bin Salman, first Saudi Arab Muslim in space, 1985. Golden toilet. Saudi Arabia's King Abdullah gifted a golden toilet on his daughter's wedding.